Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share passwords in Proton Pass in 2026. If you want to securely share login details with family members, teammates, or trusted users, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile app and log in to your account. Next, go to your vault where all your saved passwords are stored. Now select the password entry that you want to share with someone. Next, click on the Share option, usually found in the Item settings or menu. Now choose how you want to share it, such as sending a secure link or inviting a specific Proton Pass user. Next, set the permission level, such as View Only or Allow Editing, depending on your needs. Now enter the email address of the person you want to share the password with, if required. Next, confirm the sharing request and wait for the invitation to be sent. Now the recipient can open the shared link or accept the invitation to access the password securely. Finally, manage shared items anytime from the sharing section and revoke access if needed for security. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share passwords in Proton Pass. Your login details are now safely shared in a secure and controlled way. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.